Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my second Fat Cat model kit here, the Fat Cat 002, and this is your real grade God Gundam from Bandai, the upscale version for that. And this is my second Fat Cat model kit next to the first ever Fat Cat RX-78-2 real grade upscale as well. And as much as I know, that model kit is really superb, and I really love the model kit of that company, the Fat Cat one. So very nice, very beautiful, and I hope this Fat Cat 002 here for the God Gundam will be very awesome as well. So fangen wir an, los geht's. Let's check this kit out and let's see what this kit has to offer us collectors. Let's go! So there we go, we got the simple box here, the brown box with the Fat Cat crest here, and there's this 002 written on the top cover. So if we open this box here, we can see the instruction manual. So let's check this very simple instruction manual here, and there we go. This is straightforward. If you open the first page, you'll see the parts list immediately, and there's this colored picture here for the legs. And yes, this is how we will assemble it. We'll start with the legs, then followed with the waist unit, and there we go, the torso or the chest unit, then the arms unit, and the head unit. Okay. So then we'll go with the core lander, and I really like the core lander here. I like the color separation for that. And finally, we got to see the halo effect for the core lander here for the hyper mode or the God finger launching mode, like that. And there we got to see here the application for the water slide decals. Okay, so in the back, this black printed paper here with the white Fat Cat character there. Okay, so let's go with the parts here. I really like the cellophane or the wrapper for this kit. This is somehow like the Bandai wrapper or wrapping technique. And there we got to see these gray parts here with the gray hands and blue parts here also. Then we got to see here the white parts for the core lander wings, and there we got the blue parts here for the core lander parts. And finally, you can see here the effect, the clear orange effect parts. So we got here this very nice looking God finger, the heat end, and the regular God finger. And we got this orb style and this multiple punch style here, and this flame aura and some electric, electric flame effects, something like that. Okay, and there we got to see these yellow parts for the V-fin. I really like the V-fin here. And there we got the yellow accents here for I think this one for the gauntlet. And there we got some different hand poses here: karate chop, fist or holding hand, and there we go, some inner frame parts. And we got to see here the red parts for the, I think this one for the armor and the feet also. And we got here the wings for the core lander, gray parts for the inner frame parts. Then we can see here the beam saber effect parts, and I really like the beam saber effect parts. It looks like I remember the blade from the Susanoo ABS Studio model kit, so it's the same style here. It's like the katana, beam katana blade, something like that. And we got here this painted face here, a pre-painted face, and this pre-painted crest for the Gundam King of Hearts. And there we go, we got these gray parts for the inner frame, white parts again for the core lander wings, and light gray. This is a bit light gray for the armor pieces. Okay, and we got here gray parts for the inner frame and the white armor pieces here. Then we got to see here leg armor parts and this clear stand and connector. So I think this one for the effect parts. Okay. Then finally we got to see here the halo effect. So these are the halo effect for the Gundam Godfinger mode, and there we got 3 circles here from small, medium, and large diameter. And we got to see here the stickers, foil stickers, and the King of Hearts crest there, and also the other decal sheets here. So now let's talk about the runners in detail. So we got here this G runner here for the yellow parts, and this consists of the Viffin and the other accents here for the chest part, the Gatling gun on the shoulders, and the claws for the gauntlets, something like that, and the vents here for the chest. Okay, so by the way, in terms of the plastic quality here, this is really thick. You know, plastic is really thick, and as much as, or as far as I remember, building the Fat Cat RX-78-2, plastic here doesn't tend to have stress mark, so meaning this has a very strong plastic quality. So there we got these gray parts for the inner frame parts and for the hands. There we go, we got the runner D1 here. Okay, and beam saber effect part, this beam katana blades, and the King of Hearts crest here, and for the face of the Gundam. Okay, then we got here these gray parts for the inner frame parts. We got runner A here. Then we got this very nice colored red parts here for runner H there. For white parts here, we got runner E, and we got this runner B for some detailing parts and inner frame parts, and we got 2 sets of runner C here for the inner frame, leg inner frame. So good. Then we got this gray parts for the shoulder armor. So these are the inner frame parts. This is the side skirts, or front skirt I mean, and some hands there, the gray hands. Blue parts here for the armor parts. We got runner I1. We got white parts here for the binders, or the wings I mean. So this is runner F1. Runner I for the blue parts and armor pieces, and this is, I think, this one for the core lander. And there we go, we got this very large core fighter style here. So if I'm going to compare it with my master grade God Gundam, this is a bit bigger or larger. And we got runner J here for this light gray parts, and finally runner F here for the white parts again. And we got here runner E1 also for the armor parts of the legs. And there we go, very nice armor, ankle armor here. And there we got this clear parts for the stand, and connector parts for the halo, I presume, yes. And there, it's very nice, it's very thick also. And finally we got here this orange effect parts, which I didn't open yet, so I will preserve first from scratches, so I will not open this yet. Okay, so very nice orange effect parts here. And we got here this circles here also I didn't open yet to prevent from having this scratch. Okay, very cool pieces. And for the decals here, water slide decals available, we got here this small piece here for the King of Hearts water slide decals. Very cool. I really like this big effect, or the big King of Hearts to be applied on the the orange effect parts. And finally we got here the large decal sheet. So we got here a very nice red, white, and gray characters for the decals. Okay. And for the foil stickers, we got this silver and red, green, and for the eyes, I remember I did some asymmetrical pattern for the RX-78, so I might do some asymmetrical pattern also. Okay, and so that's it. Thank you for watching the unbox video of my first ever Fat Cat 002, the God Gundam upscale version of the real grade scale. Okay, so thank you so much and see you next time on my finished build of this model kit. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless. Take care.